So just Animal Kingdom?
Had to get a taxi.
I had to get a taxi. It's the first time I ever got a taxi in America, I think, like ever.
Well, the
probably
bus
not
wasn't
ever.
coming till 2 minutes past 6 and there's no way we would have got here. Our
Yeah.
fast pass finishes in
That seems to
12
be
minutes.
the downside of Grand Floridian, I think. So obviously Magic Kingdom and Epcot you can catch the monorail, which is dead frequent. So the buses to Springs, Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom were like, so it was 20 minutes for Animal Kingdom one just turned up for the studio, so now and they were, but I guess the buses are a little bit less frequent, I guess.
Yeah.
But again, I guess that's down to volume of people staying there, I guess. Cool, so anyway, Animal Kingdom, we're off for Safari first.
Should see a few more animals with it being a bit cooler.
Yeah, I've changed the battery again for another 18-minute video that I can edit down to 4 minutes.
It's a type of falcon, but he is really cool looking. Bubbles breaking the surface. Might be one submerged over here. They prefer to walk along the bottom of the water than to swim. Oh wow, we got a lot of animals out here. Yeah, giraffe is one of them. The first animal that we're going to see on our right is a Patterson's eland, one of the largest antelopes in Africa. They can reach up to 6 feet tall at their shoulders and weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Now this is a Maasai giraffe. It has messy, jagged spots. The males can reach up to 20 feet tall. When they're born, they can be about 6 to 7 feet tall. You can also see another Patterson's eland up ahead. This is the female. She's much smaller than the male. The animals with the great big horns out there, those are Ankole cattle. They're the only domesticated animals on the reserve, domesticated by the Watusi tribe. They can jump about 6 to 8 feet in the air from a standstill. Oh, if we look over to our left on top of that cave, I see a spotted hyena. A lot of people think that hyenas are scavengers, but they do hunt a majority of their own food. The clan is led by the female. Even the lowest ranking female outranks every single male. Oh, there's even one walking around back there. We're going to get another good look at one of these giraffes. We call groups of giraffes a tower. And they have the same number of vertebrae in their necks as humans. Theirs are just a lot larger than ours. They're going to spend most of their time eating. If they're not eating, probably looking for something else to eat. We'll wait a couple of seconds. Oh, there, she picked her head back up. Yeah, they only sleep about 30 minutes a day. They take short naps standing up. They do a lot of things standing up. If they lay down, it makes them a very large target for predators. But then, right? Okay, sometimes I forget. Now, they are a symbol of wealth and respect in Africa. It's really short in the savannah. Meanwhile, anything growing low in the trees, that's eaten by giraffe.
Over there in the back.
Many of you have already seen the cheetah up ahead. They are the fastest land mammals. They can sprint between 60 to 70 miles an hour. They are one of the few large cats that has the ability to purr. Sorry, my microphone keeps popping. Pop, 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 pop. Alright, is that a little bit better? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Always got a couple of ladies up there with them.
Wow.
Now the females, they do a majority of the hunting. The male, he is the protector of the pride. He's going to watch after the cub or the females are out. Now over here on the right, You'll see a white rhino.
Oh, look at the rhino.
The rhinos, they're poached for their horns. A lot of people think it can be used for zebra. Have the same set of stripes. Each are unique, just like our fingerprints. They'll group together in large numbers to confuse predators. They can't tell where one begins and the other one ends. These white antelope are called addicts, a desert animal that can survive almost their entire lives without drinking any water. They're able to absorb moisture through the vegetation that they eat.
Yeah, there's one right here, like on the road. Look.
They're going to spend pretty much their whole lives traveling from one source of food and water to the next.
Tree of life. Such an awesome thing, really. Some work went into that. That's pretty much Disney though, isn't it?
That's very nice. I'm gonna take it right here.
Yeah, well, the theming through is alright, it's just quite short.
This will be the first time we've gone on Everest at dusk.
It is. Nice for it to get proper full dark, but I think we've got 20 minutes or half an hour till that happens, haven't we? Are they staying up all the way? All right.
That's
It's back.
just kicks it, yeah.
It's got no stamina. Double Everest. Not gonna happen. You'll be holding your arms up in like, Primeval Whirl, last fast pass of the day at what time is it? 7:45. You got another one? Another red card? We're well in with Disney, we are. But it's Primeval Whirl in the dark. I'm not. Because this ride just beats me up. Hitchhiking dinosaurs. Not gonna make it, not gonna make it.
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuide a los pequeñitos y no recoja un dinosaurio. Gracias.
Hey Whirlers, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times, with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time machine. Be sure to watch your children. Don't pick up any hitchhiking.
Oh, there we go. Hitchhiking dinosaurs. Oh. The spine's twisted already, we ain't got anywhere.
Don't lose my arm like a snail.
It won't lose Michael. Fireworks going off. Come watch the Star Wars fireworks. Look over there. Look, Star Wars fireworks. Primeval death.
Went too fast, obviously.
No need for that. That's alright, but he just stopped us. It was like. No. I don't want to get backwards down the bump. That's right. It's a Dukes of Hazzard jump, that is.
I'm destroyed.
Me too. This is what we do when we go to bed. Now we have to take a facer. So that's it. Done for today. Day 5?
I don't know.
I'm not really counting, to be honest. I think
Yes,
I would have
it
to save
is.
these pictures from this camera as a different day.
Today's day 5.
It's been quite a good one. It's a bit random. Been a bit everywhere again, haven't we? With studios and Grand Floridian and Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom at night was really good. I think we might try to squeeze that in again before we go.
It's been a bit more of a relaxed day, that's for sure. Not so much, but still my feet hurt. Still I'm tired.
Yeah.
Still going to get a bit of a lay-in tomorrow.
Yeah, a bit of a line tomorrow. We're going to Epcot. So we've kind of got some fast passes. We've got some lunch booked at Garden Grill. What else we got? I think that's probably it. And then we'll try and do Test Track and soaring and all that kind of stuff. We'll see what the queues are like and what fast passes we can get.
Now I'm taking my makeup off.
Stick your makeup off because we've got to go to bed.
Bedtime. Where's my gold?
Where's my gold? See you soon.